First, cut the UTP cord about 2 to 3 inches with the cutter. Then, you arrange the wire by its color. It should be black, orange, white grain, blue, green, white brown, and brown. It should be like that. Get the crimper and cut the wires. Second, get the plain RJ45. Slowly but surely to put the UTP cord inside the plain RJ45. Third is to get the crimper, put the plain RJ45 with the UTP cord here, then crimp it. When you hear the click sound, it means it's already locked. Do this on the other side of the UTP cord. Lastly, try it with the cable tester. Go ahead and connect your cable with cable tester. Make sure that the master and remote lights up the same. If they don't light up the same, it means there's something wrong in your crimping. They're not independent with each other. There's some issue with the cables and has a bad connection. So, that's how to crimp the UTP cord and plain RJ45, and also how to use the cable tester. Thank you for watching.